Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to add transitions to your videos to make them look better. So first of all, we want to open Vegas Pro. And what are transitions? Well, transitions are post-production technique used to connect one video clip to another. So you have your video clip 1, you have the video clip 2, you want to join them together and make them look nice. You use transitions. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be explaining two ways and I'll be using only two video clips. So let's import those two video clips, video clip 1 and video clip 2. Okay, drag them to your timeline, then drag the second. That is long. That is long. Okay, we're gonna be using just this much. Delete. Okay, so the first method to use when you're applying transitions, you want to make sure there's a space in between your two clips. Go to your transitions, choose, you have varieties, so you choose one. If you don't like the one that are here, you go to the internet and you download, then you import. You can still do that. So we're going to be using 3D blinds and gradient wipe. So you drag your transition, make sure it aligns with the yellow line, and if the plus sign pops up, that means you're good to go. So you just release, and your transition, here you have your presets and you have your transitions there already. So you're gonna go to your second clip and you're gonna drag it to the end of your first clip. You're gonna see a blue line which helps you to know that's the end, and if you pass the blue line, that means it's gonna enter the first clip. And that's how you add transition. So just preview that, and that's your transition. It's your transition. So the second way of adding transition, remember, you need your space in between, and you go to your second clip, just drag it. This time we're going to drag it into our first clip, like maybe 1 minute. 1 second, sorry, 1 second is enough. Then you see this is an intersection of the first clip and the second clip. You want to go to your gradient wipe, then choose, you have so many, choose one, you use the star and you put it where first clip and second clip intercepts, and you release it and you have your transition. So let's preview that. That's good. If you want your transition to stay longer, you just need to drag second clip into the first clip a little bit more. Like, let's say this is a 2 second, so let's use the heart, and transition will stay longer. Yeah. Then if you don't want this, there you have the spiral. Preview it. Yeah, so I also like using this one. This one's also nice. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you. Comment down below what video you would like me to post next. Subscribe for more videos. Turn on the post notification bell so whenever I post, you're gonna be aware. Share this video. Stay safe and happy new month.